this video, you will learn how to use O-Pitanalytics. You can either access it through the website or by clicking on the tab O-Pitanalytics in the top right corner of the software. There, you will be able to visualize all the information related to your projects and blasts. Please note that only the projects and blasts that are uploaded to the O-Pit cloud will be visible in O-Pitanalytics. When you open it, you will see your dashboard at the top with general information such as overall use of explosives, total number of holes drilled, total rock volume blasted, among others. Under your dashboard, you will have the list of last actions, where all the last actions executed will appear, along with time, date, and operator in charge of said changes. Lastly, you can view 3 pie charts that are relative to the volume blasted per project, explosives used per project, and meters drilled per project. You can return to the main page by clicking on Overview. To view information regarding a specific project, click on the sidebar to the left. The projects will be arranged by date of modification, with the most recent one being at the bottom. On your project page, you will also have an overview option. Here you will have a map of your project's location, overall data, and graphs for cost control and KPI analysis, such as a bar chart with costs for each blast. Entering on a specific blast's page, you have the blast information, site name, location, country, time, and date. These will be collected from the software and from the app. Following the blast information, you have a loading progress bar that indicates which boreholes have been verified, and under it, 7 pie charts regarding reported errors and corresponding reasons. Your blast resume will contain the most relevant blast parameters such as bench height, rock density, and volume blasted, among others. A graph of geometric properties can be found under the blast resume, where you can show or conceal information. After that, you have a graph depicting different relations between parameters such as reel stemming or burden versus plane reel stemming or burden values, for example. can expand each graph for better visualization. In the bottom, you have a list of all your boreholes and corresponding details, planned values, real values, and the difference between them. A blast top view is available, as well as a borehole list with real values for every parameter and any comments or annotations. Finally, you can export it in a CSV file.